I made the decision to start learning AI automations. I resisted it for so long, and I don't really know why. I guess I was kind of scared of it because it basically replaced the thing I was best at. I don't know why I didn't embrace it and why I didn't just adapt in the first place. Somehow I had a notion that I need to start doing what I love, just creating business out of nothing instead of using what I already had and just doing slight adjustments to break into AI field. If I had done it 2 years ago, I would be so much further ahead. So that's the mistake I learned, and I just need to go all in into this and just focus on two things, very narrow things. It's learning automation, AI automation to be specific. I will focus on Claude because it seems to be working the best for content creators, copywriters, and online businesses. I will leverage that to help me creating content, and I will use content creation and just being on camera as my personal skill development in presentation, in speaking, in teaching, in persuasion, and in storytelling, and all those things. So I'll focus on becoming expert in automation, solving problems that can be solved through automation, and documenting my journey to learn the skills of teaching others. That's all I will do. I will dedicate just a little bit of time to school to connect with people. But other than that, I will spend half of my day solving some automation problem and another half of the day trying to document it and teaching it to others. I know I will need to add outreach into the mix once I want to start to help others, and I also will want to add the delivery in once I get clients. But since I don't have any of those yet, I just need to focus on learning it as a skill, not watching how it's done on YouTube, but actually creating the automations, making my own life easier. If I can't make my own life easier, I have no business teaching it to others. So I'll just try to automate my own content creation workflow and just grow from that. Later I can help automate other processes as well, but at least I'll have some understanding of AI tools, how they connect to each other, how they work, and I will use that as my starting point for my outreach. Then I can maybe automate my outreach process. Then I can automate my onboarding process and teach that. So I just need not to jump ahead of myself and do the work, do what's difficult. I think what triggered me to start this is Hormozi piece of content that I watched yesterday. He looked very serious, telling everyone to learn AI or expect to be outcompeted by it. I think the sentence where he said that throughout whole history, people with better technology outcompeted those with worse technology. And for such a long time, I tried to lean into the skills that AI has a hard time replicating, specifically communication skills, connection skills. And there's definitely a way to be successful in that, but ignoring where the society is shifting so significantly is just stupid. It's plain stupid. I should have learned automation alongside what I did before and just use that to increase my output, increase my rate of learning, and increase my rate of failure. Right now, I want to produce as much content as possible because I just need reps, I need feedback. I have no intention of going viral. I just need to get over the fear of saying stupid things on camera. I need to realize that no one cares, no one is even watching, so I can just do whatever I want and take the feedback and do what's working, see what I can improve. I already know that I should have more energy, I should use more hand gestures, I should just be more passionate about what I am talking about. I need to work on that. It's just that I probably didn't have enough feedback to actually make myself overcome it.